This is coming to bird too, and you know what? I'm gonna be here. Ooh, let me try this. Hey. There. Kind of moved a bit, but some people say you can actually fly with this. Oh my gosh! I'm flying! I'm flying! Lost grip. Wait, no. No. What's this new block? It's the car block. What do I don't want to do with it? Play with it. We get into a purple car block. This is the car block, and you should really try it though. Oh my gosh. No, my car block. It's usually a technique called hiding. Like for example, oh, there's not a car. But I'm not going to use it anyways. And they have a Blue Coco plushie, which is a Pokemon plushie anyways. Also, why did I just got gravitated? Hello guys, you want to try this block? You can have it. I was running and I'm gonna walk anyways. Oh my gosh! How do I do that? Wait. I'm moving it without doing things. It's jiggling. Like, oh, maybe not. Anyways, oh, put back. Wait, no. Hey. All right, let's do this. Go down, please. Woo! I kind of like this. Just the coolest invention ever. It's from tennis ball from BFDI. It's from tennis ball from BFDI. He made his invention. It's real cool. Hey. I guess you can. It kind of goes down for me. But I really like if I made a wedge. Just why I'm gonna use my blueprint and use wedge. I'm doing more. Come on. That's enough. I guess I got wedges. Wedges. Yeah, I love wedges. I think I just got inspiration from number blocks. Just really from a YouTuber. Just silly with the duck. Just so silly with the duck. And I like that. So I spawned a billion of these wedges.